Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get the studs off your tires. I guess that's probably the only way, unless they invented some sort of freaking machine to do that. So if you have some tires with studs and you want to use them not in the winter, and I heard they're outlawing studs anyway soon, so you gotta get them up, right? All you're gonna need for this is pretty much screwdrivers. They need to be fairly skinny, and the long ones for more leverage, but this little guy will most likely do most of it. So pretty much what you want to do, you want to get in here, you want to go like 45-degree angle and push down, and then you'll feel that you grabbed it by the butt, and boom, pops out just like that. Don't worry about puncturing your tire. There's no freaking way you're gonna puncture it with a screwdriver, especially if it's anything as beefy as this. Alright guys, hopefully this was helpful. Please hit thumbs up, hit like if you could, subscribe if you haven't. Have a good day. Thank you.